This is Mamta Mallija. Happy evening to everyone. I am practicing as a life coach. Today, my topic is how to work on your joy. How you can have give you joy to everyone and you can feel yourself happy. First, we should give some time to ourselves, to what we feel, that joy within ourselves. What are the things that give us joy? Either seeing the sunshine, or either walk with nature, or either reading some books, hearing music. It's all, give some time to those things that give you a joy, that give you that uh, inner calmness. We should allocate at least 10 minutes in a day to give time to ourselves to do the things that gives you a joy, either with the time with family, either the time with yourself. And start writing 5 things that gives you a joy. Um, and start working this week to do one thing every day that help you to drive that joyness in your life. When we feel joy, when we feel that happiness in ourselves, we feel that positive frame of mindset within ourselves, we feel so calm and we feel that inner happiness, we feel that inner inner glory within ourselves. So when we feel joy, we can able to give the joy and happiness to our relationship and others. So give time to yourself and do the things that gives you a joy, either seeing the nature, or either having a cup of coffee in the morning, or either those things that gives you a joy. Live your life spending little moments of giving those joy things that gives you that in that happiness, that nourishment in your face. So give some time to yourself, look, know your inner self, take some time. Write the things that you feel happy, write the things that give you a joy. Work on, at least give 5 minutes to do that things that gives you a joy, that gives you that inner joyness within yourself. So work on all these things that gives you a joy, and work on yourself each and every day towards your happiness. So when you feel hated, or you feel guilt and shame, or you have that negative emotion, you can turn out that negative emotion into positive emotion by working in our, by compassion, joy and happiness. So work on all these things that gives you joy. Write 5 things that gives you that happiness in your life, and do it every day. And give some time to yourself. Enjoy this beautiful nature that God has given us. Enjoy the inner beauty with ourselves. Enjoy the things that gives you a joy. Work on yourself on each and every day towards your joy, towards your happiness, towards your uh, inner glory that help you to nourish each and every day in your life. So spend some joyous moment, like spending time with family, have your some, take a long time for bath, or you sing a song, or there are so many things. When you list down, you feel so many things, but try to work on one things that gives you a joy, that gives you that happiness, that gives you that inner peace, that gives you that inner glory in your, in the face of yours. So work on these things, like that gives you a joy. And I want everyone to practice that. Write your joy list and do one thing in your day that gives you happy. It's really it's really when you do that, you feel that uh, inner 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 happiness within yourself. So work on yourself and take a small step each and every day towards your joy. Bye. Thank you.